Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology issue from India side. It is from Israel people. We want to procure this type of drones to surveillance of border countries. Once we able to see what is this Heron MK II UAVS, that is the unmanned services, aerial services. This one you have to see. This is the IAI, Israel Air System. So that one Heron MK II UAVS. This is the picture of that drone. This is a type of drone. This type of drone is contains 1430 kg it can payload. So that capacity is 490 payload we have to keep in this. Service ceiling 35,000 feet, it can endurance 45, height also it can go. So high altitude, the maximum speed 150 so kilo TAS, operating range 250 kilometer or more than, so 1000 kilometers also in the low altitude it can go. So that is very important one. What is this we able to see in this video? So please share and subscribe our videos. It will very much helpful to you in your competitive examination. India has initiated to procurement of Heron MK II drones from Israel under the emergency provisions invoked after Operation Sindoor. So after Operation Sindoor, we need the aerial drones also we need. So that's why our government plan to procure this Heron MK II drones from Israel. So who developed this one? Israel Aerospace Industries developed this Heron MK II UAVS. So the capability is Heron MK II is a medium altitude, long endurance UAV. It can carry close to 500 kg of payload, sustain more than 24 hours continuous flight. So it can flight 24 hours it can flight. This is the drone. Through the drones we can keep the, so whatever the payloads we want to send to the target, so that payloads we able to keep there. So that is the 500 kg of payload it can carry. The sensors and systems equipped with the synthetic aperture radar, electro-optical system and SIGINT sensors. That platform provides the comprehensive ISR capabilities. Even in challenging weather conditions also it can work. The operational flexibility it is a fully automated takeoff and landing systems coupled with the encrypted satellite communication, enabled remote operations, flexible mission planning and development across varied threats without ground-based line of sight control. So according to the line of sight control, so we able to do these things, flexible mission planning and deployment across varied threats without ground-based lines of sight control. Clear? So what is the significance? Heron drones are primarily deployed for long-range surveillance on both the Chinese and Pakistan frontiers have proven high effective. So these are the long range surveillance purpose we want to purchase from IAI, Israel Aerospace Industry. So which drones? Heron MK II unmanned drones. So these are the unmanned aircraft drones. This is the drone figure you able to see in this one. Clear? This is very important. So Heron MK II UAVS belongs to which country? So belongs to IAI, Israel Aerospace Industry. People are preparing this one and India want to buy these things to protect our country safely. So thank you so much. So please share and subscribe and like our YouTube channel, like this science and technology burning issues I will give in our YouTube channel. Listen and enjoy and get success in your competitive examination. Thank you.